Okay,
Ikaw muna mag-depend. Bakit nauna ang
itlog.
Itlog sa manok. The principle of life suggests that it's cyclical in nature. It means that for something to happen, for something to take shape, it needs to take in energy, it needs to take in everything. The way that we do this, we tell you on our side, is that we start from eggs at the first start of the day. The same way that we are able to accumulate nutrients into our system to the extent that we're able to hatch actually into being a chicken. The problem with your side is that you're going to have to assume that chickens were born out of nowhere. On our side, at least we are able to stick to the biological principle in which that organisms take time and nutrients and everything to be able to grow up.
Mr. Adjudicator, I'd like to shame that statement.
Shame.
Okay.
Go back! Hear her!
So I'd like to shame that statement because realistically, paleontology-wise, where did the egg come from? Right? It needs to have a chicken. And where did the chicken come from? We have long history of dinosaurs being closely related to chickens and having fossilites and creating fossil energy. So realistically, where did the very first chicken come from? Right? So the very first chicken birthed the first egg and then birthed into a next